Indian economy. It is the kind of GST is the topic main that you have to discuss about. So first of all, you have to initiate this only. So I would like to start.
Friends, now I'm going to speak about the how to help GST in Indian economy. I think GST is a very plays a very most important role to the economy of our India. How can I say that? Because in GST is giving the same rate and also giving the power to centralize the all economy. And if the central have power, then the GST, then the central will give the focus on the all areas which is where the background areas they exist in our India. In this time, we are saying that before the GST, the person, the state, find the all tax of the goods. But after GST, the central finding the all tax when the goods go the outside of the state. I think that's the reasons our economy is growing and central power is growing day by day. And when the central power will be increased, I think the center will give the all focus on the states and also the education also and also increase the power and also increase, when the power will increase and the growth of citizens will be increased, I think economy will be also increased of India.
When the GST will be applied in many places, if the money come from GST will help the economy, as well as we see that many sectors are going there which are giving GST to improve the economic condition of Indian government.
As we know that GST is an indirect tax and it is encourage the economic of our country because it is paid by our country's people and when all the power is central spend lots of money in the defense sector. When our boundaries are well, then our country will be well, and after the center spend the money in the states and the states develop the people.
Revenue will also get a boost due to GST, and we will know that logistic and inventory rate will be fall due to GST and it is also going to promote Make in India. As I know that India GST is indirect tax, and it has been taken the place of all taxes, which are indirect tax. I think it is very good for us. For example, we go to any shop and bought any pen. How much tax I would give all this type of tax also give money also. It is implemented equally all of them. So I think it is very good and it is helping to increase our economy.
As we know that GST, after the implementation of GST, government generated too much revenue from GST. By using the revenue, our government can use it in the health sector and many other sector. And there are some loopholes that GST should be implemented on petroleum and alcohol things also.
GST is a fixed tax. It is implemented by our government and to increase the economy of our country. Due to GST, the price of every products is fixed and no one can less or no one can increase the price of any product. So this is the reason that to increase the economy of our country, GST is implemented.
We all know that GST is an indirect tax and it is paid by consumers. And we all know that GST is one of the best income source of our government because after implementation of GST, all persons pay tax and persons are know what is tax they are paid they are paid on which products. So we can say that GST is the best income source of our government, and that money is used for the economic growth of our India.
Privatization will decrease corruption. How much you agree about it? You can start about it. Privatization.
Friends, we are going to speak about the privatization in our India. As we know that in this time, the many of the jobs is depend upon the government, and that's the reason the government is giving the security to all people that they will not be out of from the that job one time they will select. That's the reasons I think somewhere is loopholes in the schemes of the government because not a scheme of our government. I think somewhere the people is misguiding the citizen of our India because we can know that about that when the person has security I will not be thrown out. That's the reason they are the fearless and after the privatization, the person think that if I will do wrong anything, I think they will throw out from that job. I think this fear will be decrease the corruption.
And also we can say that if a person selected by their skill, he will work. If a person do by merit, selected by merit basis, and also some, as we know that reservation car based, then he will be think about earning money. So we can say that it will decrease the corruption in our
Let's talk about how privatization will help in Indian Railway, especially just to improve the condition of railway. Because privatization is topic, there are many sectors where government is planning to make the things private. So if you don't have idea that what should we talk about, so you can take example of Indian Railway. If we talk about airlines also, many more sectors are there where Indian government is planning to make everything private. Especially they have initiated with Indian Railway, and many more others are there. So you can talk about
If
that
Indian
also.
Railway will be privatized, then the employees are also selected in private manner, and they should have to give their 100%. If they are not giving their 100%, they can be fired from the railway department, and also
According,
private, and also the railway department will make sure that every person is giving their
Privatization of in India in every sector is good because due to privatization, every person can get the employee and without very basis, but due to his skill he can get, and a skilled man work more than the man who is appeared due to merit, and then due to privatization.
In current, we are seeing that our government take the decision of prioritize any sector, and the main reason of this taking like this decision that we are seeing in the government sector that people are not give their 100% in their behavior. They feel indisciplined, and the government sector increase the extra burden of the government. This is main reason that in current our government take the decision of
As
privatization.
we already know that there are many type of sector is going to be private, as airlines and Indian Railway. I think it is the good point to decrease the corruption, because in government sector people get salary and they forget their duty, because they with the salary they fulfill all their desires, so they forget their responsibility. If this type of activity go in the hand of private player, they take all responsibility of their and give all the facility to the people. I think it will decrease the corruption. As we know that a country's growth is dependent totally on infrastructure, and we know that infrastructure in our country is not good as we expected, because private company is growth only depend on skills. So we can say that if skill in our railway, then he can improve the railways. Many type of as Tejas Express and many Vande Bharat Express launched, so they can infrastructure will be developed day by day.
And they can we take an example of the out of the India, that we can see that the SpaceX agency of the America is giving plays a most important role to grow the economy of America. I think that's the reason. If the private company will be increased, I think the workload of our government will be decreased. I think both and private and government will increase the economy of India.
If railway is private, then private companies are investing their money to improve the condition of railways, and then a private company are investing their money. Then private company found a lot of profits to railways and want to earn a lot of profits. Then he works their employees in time, and train will be come in time. So it saves our times, and we all know that the if a person is doing work in private sector, then the person do not have any permanent security. So if a person do work in a proper way, and he works with skills and not work with laziness. So it's a very so implementation of railway is very useful for the decreasing of corruption.
yeah, friend, I agree with you, but I would like to add one more point. The privatization of railway will increase the employment in India, and it will also boost up our economy, because foreign companies will be invest in India to make the products in the products of railways, and the corruption will be diminished after, because we can easily see that a government a person who has permanent security, he is more corrupt than private.
And we can say also that if the privatization will be exist in our India, I think the people will not go through for the job. They will create the job and also will be self-dependent on in our India.